Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest updates in the world of artificial intelligence. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: Google's Bard AI, which has recently received a major upgrade, trumping OpenAI's ChatGPT 4 in the race for conversational AI supremacy. Let's dive into the details. Before, please like and share the video, subscribe to this channel, and click the bell icon for more updates. Overview of Google's Bard AI. Before we delve into the upgrade, let's quickly recap what Bard AI is all about. Google's Bard AI is a state-of-the-art conversational model designed to interact with users and create engaging, human-like conversations. It leverages a combination of neural networks and advanced language models to generate responses that demonstrate a high level of contextual understanding. The importance of conversational AI. Conversational AI has gained immense prominence in recent years as it holds significant potential across various domains. It allows us to communicate with machines in a more natural way, providing better customer support, enhancing user experiences, and facilitating more efficient virtual assistants. Both OpenAI's ChatGPT 4 and Google's Bard AI aim to advance the capabilities of conversational AI. The battle for supremacy. OpenAI's ChatGPT 4, introduced last year, was a groundbreaking achievement in conversational AI. However, Google's Bard AI has now managed to outsmart it with a significant upgrade. The new update brings improvements in several crucial aspects, allowing Bard AI to offer enhanced user experiences while maintaining its lead in competitive metrics. Enhanced contextual understanding. One of the key areas where Google's Bard AI has surpassed OpenAI's ChatGPT 4 is in contextual understanding. With the latest upgrade, Bard AI demonstrates an improved ability to maintain context and deliver more relevant responses. This upgrade gives Bard AI a superiority in handling complex conversational scenarios, making it a preferred choice in various applications. Enhanced multimodal capabilities. Another vital aspect of the upgrade is the enhanced multimodal capabilities of Google's Bard AI. Now, it can not only generate text-based responses but also understand and generate responses based on images, videos, and other visual inputs. This opens up exciting possibilities for creative AI applications, content generation, and more immersive user experiences. Tackling safety and bias. A crucial concern in developing AI systems is addressing safety and mitigating biases. Like OpenAI, Google aims to diligently tackle these challenges. Through rigorous research and ongoing improvements, Bard AI is designed to prioritize ethical considerations and avoid generating harmful or biased responses. Applications and future implications. With Bard AI's upgraded capabilities, we can expect its integration into various domains. From improving virtual assistants to enhancing customer service, its potential applications seem limitless. The competition between OpenAI and Google will continue to drive advancements, pushing the boundaries of conversational AI further. As we wrap up, it's clear that Google's Bard AI has taken a significant leap forward, outsmarting OpenAI's ChatGPT 4 with its latest upgrade. With enhanced contextual understanding and multimodal capabilities, Bard AI seems poised to shape the future of conversational AI. We're excited to witness the further evolution of these advancements and the positive impact they will have on how we interact with machines. Visuals of Google's Bard AI and OpenAI's ChatGPT 4. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates in the world of artificial intelligence. See you in the next video.